Hey guys, this is Hannah. I'll be your secretary for CHAARG this year, and I'm making this video just as a little tutorial on how to use Slack. We're going to be transitioning from GroupMe to Slack this year, and it can be a little confusing at first, so hopefully you can watch this and learn from it and refer back to it whenever you need it. So first, this is what the Slack app looks like. It'll be on your computer and your phone. So you click it, and it will take you to the UMD CHAARG workspace. So rather than having different group chats for different things on GroupMe, we'll have everything related to CHAARG in one place. So on the left, you'll see our different channels, which basically means our different group chats. So right now we have a private exec one, which private means that you're invited to it and anyone who's not in that group can't see that channel. So we have one for exec. We also have a private channel for small group leaders. And then these four right here are our public ones for right now. So once you're a member, you're going to be added to them. So we have our fitness one, which is going to be for anything from coordinating group fit classes to gym buddies or anything fitness related outside of weekly workouts. Then we're going to have our general, which is going to be our announcements page, anything that's talking about CHAARG events or anything like that. And then random is going to be chatting about non-CHAARG stuff, so that means classes, promoting personal clubs, anything outside of CHAARG. Social is going to be for going out, happy hours, socials with other organizations, and anything like that. And then once we have our small groups set, we're going to have each small group leader set up a private channel for their group. So then if you go to the channel, for example, this right here, you have a message and you have many options. You can add a reaction to it. So if you want to reply to it, but not typing something out, you can add a thumbs up or really anything that you want to. Usually if you're saying yes to something, you can do a thumbs up and no for thumbs down. You can also start a thread, which means if you want to reply to this, but not to the whole group, you can click that and then it'll go directly to that person rather than the whole channel. Then you can also star the message if it's something important you want to remember. Or if you go to more actions, you can copy a link from the message. You can mark it as unread. Or you can also set a reminder for 20 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, tomorrow, or next week if it's something important you want to remind yourself for. If you want to pin something, which means it's important for the whole channel to see, you can pin it and then go up here and click that and it'll show you all of your pinned messages. So then in the channel details right here, you click that and it'll hide it and show it. So here you can see all the members within that channel. You can add people from there. And if you go to channel settings, you can jump to a date. So if you want to see all the messages from Tuesday, you would click that. Or if you want to add people, you can also go to here. And if they're in the workspace, you can just search their name and then click add. And also you can view channel details and notification preferences. So if you want to mute the channel, you can do that here. If you want to modify your settings for your phone or for your computer, you can do that here. Right here it says just ignore notifications for @channel. @channel means if you type that out, it'll notify everyone within that channel. So if you want to do something different for your phone, like just mentions, that means if you're tagged, you can do that as well. So going to a message right here that I sent, you can see there's a reaction right there. And if I meant to say we're doing the 5 weeks out meeting, for example, you can click more actions and then go all the way down to edit message. So you can actually go in and change that to 5 if that's wrong, and then click save changes and it'll change it. And also you can delete your message from there. And right here we have this thing called Doodlebot. So within Slack, there's going to be different apps that you use. For this one, we use Doodlebot. We're using Doodle polls. So if, for example, Alex sends out a poll, it'll come directly to the Slack channel and you can vote within there. Then for direct messaging, you can directly click on that person's name and then hit direct message and it'll take you to your separate conversation. So that's it for now. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me at umdchargeinfo@gmail.com, and I hope this helped. Thanks.